So why did I start mobile milling? Because I could see that there was potential high quality, high value logs that were not being used to their full potential, just because there wasn't enough of them. So this enables me to convert individual trees or small parcels of timber that otherwise wouldn't be picked up because they don't make up a lorry load. And I can access them in small woodlands where you wouldn't be able to get large machinery. That mill's great, but I'm limited to a metre wide. It'd be great to see more small woodland owners making use of their own timber. It would encourage some more active management. There's lots of undermanaged woodlands out there that would benefit from having low impact interventions, felling and extracting small parcels of timber. And if those small woodland owners have got a use for that, whether that's fencing materials, whether it's milling hardwoods for their own use, making garden furniture. I was thinking flush this off and cut down there. The bread and butter for us is small scale fell and extract forestry contracts. So hand cutting with chainsaws and then extracting with small scale machinery. So agricultural tractors and forwarding trailers or skidding winches. So not purpose-built forestry machinery, very low impact, to sort of minimal ground disturbance. The yard and the mobile milling and the firewood processing is the way of adding value.